Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are watching Noorani Qaida lessons. And inshallah, in this class, we are going to read the part of the previous lesson which was about Sukoon sign, like when Sukoon sign comes in a word, how to read that word. So that exercise we were doing. So we are going to continue the same lesson. Let us start now. I will read first. You have to repeat after me and very carefully see, understand the letter sound and then the signs which are coming there, especially Sukoon sign. Hamza, Lam, Fatha, Al, Ha, Fatha, Ha, Al, Ha, Mim, Fatha, Ma, Al-Hama, Al-Hama, Hamza, Noon, Fatha, An, Sheen, Fatha, Sha, Ansha, Ra, Fatha, Ra, Anshara. We will make the Gunna sound on the Noon as there is Ikhfa, and in Ikhfa we will hide the sound of Noon. So we say again, Anshara, Anshara. Hamza, Noon, Fatha, An, Qaf, Fatha, Qa, Anqa. Dad, Fatha, Da, Anqada, Anqada. Dal, Mim, Fatha, Dam, Dal, Fatha, Da, Dam, Da. Mim, Fatha, Ma, Dam, Dama, Dam, Dama. Ain, Sin, Fatha, As, Ain, Fatha, A, As, A. Sin, Fatha, Sa, As, Asa, As, Asa. Hamza, Ain, Fatha, A, Ba, Dhamma, Bu, A'bu. Dal, Dammadu, A'budu, A'budu. Noon, Ain, Fatha, Na', Ba, Dhamma, Bu, Na'bu. Dal, Dammadu, Na'budu, Na'budu. Ya, Kha, Fatha, Yakh, Ra, Dhammaru, Yakhru. Jim, Dammaju, Yakhruju, Yakhruju. Ya, Ha, Fatha, Yah, Sin, Fatha, Sa, Yahsa. Ba, Dhamma, Bu, Yahsabu, Yahsabu. Ya, Shin, Fatha, Yash, Ra, Fatha, Ra, Yashra. Ba, Dhamma, Bu, Yashrabu, Yashrabu. Ya, Shin, Fatha, Yash, Ha, Fatha, Ha, Yashha. Dal, Dhammadu, Yashhadu, Yashhadu. Ta, Ra, Fatha, Tar, Ha, Fatha, Ha, Tarha. Qaf, Dhammaku, Tarhaqu, Tarhaqu. Ta, Ain, Fatha, Ta', Ra, Kasra, Ri, Ta'ri. Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Ta'rifu, تعرف. Hamza qaf dhamma uq, sin kasra si, uqsi, mim dhamma mu, uqsimu, uqsimu. On the qaf we make the qalqala sound as uq, uq, right? And also this qaf we read in heavy sound, uqsimu, uqsimu. Ya ba dhamma yub, dal kasra di, yubdi, hamza dhamma u, yubdi'u, yubdi'u. Here ya we do not read as the dhamma sign is on the hamza, so that's why we read hamza only, yubdi'u. And on the ba there is qalqala, as it is in blue color, so we make weak qalqala, not a strong, right? As the qalqala letter is coming in the middle of the word, yubdi'u, yubdi'u. Ya noon dhamma yun, fa fatha fa, yunfa, kha dhamma khu, yunfakhu, yunfakhu. We will hide the sound of noon into nose, as here is again ikhfa. So in ikhfa we hide the sound of noon, that's why. Ya noon fatha yan, qaf fatha qa, yanqa, lam kasra li, yanqali, ba dhamma bu, yanqalibu, yanqalibu. Ya dhamma yu, waw sin fatha was, yuwas, waw kasra vi, yuwasvi, sin dhamma su, yuwasvisu, yuwasvisu. Sa fatha sa, qaf dhamma qu, saqu, lam ta fatha lat, saqulat, saqulat. Ha dhamma hu, shin kasra shi, hushi, ra ta fatha rat, hushirat, hushirat. Sin dhamma su, ta kasra ti, sutri, ha ta fatha hat, sutihat, sutihat. Kaf dhamma ku, shin kasra shi, kushi, ta ta fatha tat, kushitat, kushitat. So make sure to read each letter sound clearly, like here is ta and the next is ta. So make the different sound. The first ta we read in heavy sound and the second ta we read light, like kushitat. Noon dhamma nu, shin kasra shi, nushi, ra ta fatha rat, nushirat, nushirat. Noon dhamma nu, sad kasra si, nusi, ba ta fatha bat, nusibat, nusibat. Hamza fatha a, sa ra fatha thar, athar. Noon fatha na, atharna, atharna. Waw fatha wa, sin ta fatha sat, wasat. Noon fatha na, wasatna, wasatna. Fa fatha fa, ra ghain fatha rag, farag. Ta fatha ta, faragta, faragta. Ta hamza fatha ta, As there is Hamza, it has a Sukoon sign. That's why we make a jerk sound. So the rule is that whenever Hamza comes with the Sukoon sign, we make a jerk sound there. And now here is Hamza. You cannot say Alif. Ta Hamza Fatha Ta. Ta Waw Dhamma Tu. Ta Tu. Noon Fatha Na. Ta Tu Na. So this two sound we long here, as Dhamma is followed by Waw Sakin, which is Waw Madda here now. Ta Tu Na. Yasin Dhamma Yus. Qaf Waw Fatha Qaw. Yus Qaw. Noon Fatha Na. Yus Qawna. Yus Qawna. And here is Waw Leen, as Fatha is followed by Waw Sakin. So this is Waw Leen. We make the soft sound. Yusqawna. Ya Fa Fatha Yaf. Ain Fatha A. Yaf'a. Lam Waw Dhamma Lu. Yaf'alu. Noon Fatha Na. Yaf'aluna. Yaf'aluna. Again here is Waw Madda. Ya Ain Fatha Ya. Mim Fatha Ma. Ya'ma. Lam Waw Dhamma Lu. Ya'malu. Noon Fatha Na. Ya'maluna. Ya'maluna. Ya Ain Fatha Ya. Lam Fatha La. Ya'la. Mim Waw Dhamma Mu. Ya'lamu. Noon Fatha Na. Ya'lamuna. Ya'lamuna. Ya Dad Fatha Yad. Ha Fatha Ha. Yadha. Kaf Waw Dhamma Ku. Yadhaku. Noon Fatha Na. Yadhakuna. Yadhakuna. Ya Kaf Fatha Yak. Sin Kasra Si. Yaksi. Ba Waw Dhamma Bu. Yaksibu. Noon Fatha Na. Yaksibuna. Yaksibuna. Ya Dal Fatha Yad. Kha Dhamma Khu. Yadkhu. Lam Waw Dhamma Lu. Yadkhulu. Noon Fatha Na. Yadkhuluna. Yadkhuluna. Ya Noon Fatha Yan. Dha Dhamma Zu. Yanzu. Ra Waw Dhamma Ru. Yanzuru. Noon Fatha Na. Yanzuruna. Yanzuruna. So this is today's lesson. Inshallah, in the next class we will continue the same lesson. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. And see you in the next class. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.